Hello, the first web browser that we're going to take a look at today is Firefox by the Mozilla Corporation. We're going to focus on the strong points and look at a couple of its greatest features. The first feature that we really enjoy about Firefox is its capability for private browsing. Typically when browsing, Firefox remembers information such as the website you have visited and the usernames and passwords that you have entered. But when in private mode, Firefox will not keep account of the information you have entered, such as cookies, cached files, passwords, visited pages, etc. You can access the private browsing mode by selecting Tools and hitting Start Private Browsing. It will also save your current tabs for when you're done with your private browsing session, so that you can resume what you were doing before. Another feature that we really enjoy is the Smart Location bar. In the address bar, you can type in, let's say I was looking for Syracuse, I was typing in SYR. It'll show results for websites that I've visited that have SYR in it. It sort of gives you, it adapts with time and offers better guesses based upon how often you visit a site and how frequently you visit them. The last feature that we really enjoy about Firefox and that really separates it from other browsers is its ability for customization. You can add, hide, or remove toolbars. You can also add add-ons, and add-ons are, according to the Mozilla website, are small pieces of software which change or add to the appearance or functionality of Firefox. There are also extensions, which are applications that allow Firefox to be customized. There are themes, which change the actual appearance of Firefox, and there are also plugins. And plugins are generally software that manage internet content. They add to like multimedia capabilities, such as like video, audio, online games, and presentations. So pretty much that's Firefox, and those are the reasons why we really like it as a browser. Thank you. Hello again. The next web browser that we're going to take a look at today is Google Chrome. We're going to focus on 3 of its main features, one of which is the tab page. Now the tab page lists thumbnails, which are small images of sites that you've visited. There's also a section titled Recently Closed. Those are sites that you may have closed in your most recent usage of Google Chrome. And you can click on a link and it will open in a new tab. Another feature that we enjoy is the incognito mode for private browsing. In order to reach that, in the upper right-hand corner, you can click a small image that looks like a wrench and scroll down to where it says New Incognito Window. When using the incognito mode for private browsing, pages that you view won't appear in your browser history or your search history. Also, when you close the window, the cookies will also be deleted. Another feature that we also enjoy is the integrated download manager. We found an image of Otto that we really liked and we want to download it. So we're going to save the image, and as you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, the image of Otto was downloaded, and the download manager is part of the window. It didn't open in a separate window like it would in Internet Explorer. And that's Google Chrome. Thanks. Hello again. I'm going to speak about the third browser, and that is Internet Explorer version 8. We're going to focus again on 3 of its main features. One of the features that we enjoy about Internet Explorer 8 is the grouped tabs feature. Now, if you're familiar with tab browsing, you open a lot of websites. It's hard to stay on task and know which sites related to which. So, a really cool feature that they have is that if you open a link from within one tab. It will color code the tab so that you're aware that you opened that link from another window. Now if you open a new tab, it'll be a different color so that you know now that you have a group of tabs of websites that you visited. Another feature that we also enjoy are web slices. A web slice allows you to automatically update information that you normally would have had to do manually. So let's say every morning I enjoy going to weather.com to find out the weather for Syracuse, New York. If you notice right here in the upper right hand corner, there is a small icon. If I select that, it will allow me to sign up for automatic updates from weather.com. Another feature that is really good about Internet Explorer are extensive parental controls. So a parent would feel very comfortable installing this web browser on their family computer. Parental controls can be accessed by going to the Tools menu, Internet Options, selecting Content, and you can edit the parental controls from there. And that is Internet Explorer 8. Hello again, this is the fourth and final browser that we're going to evaluate, and that is Safari. We really like Safari because of its sleek and clean look. One of the features that we really like is the full page zoom. In order to access that, you hit Alt on the keyboard, go to View, and you have a couple of options. There's Zoom In, Zoom Out, and Zoom Text Only. Zoom in and zoom out is full page zoom, so the images and the text will remain to scale, become larger, and remain crisp and readable. Another feature that we like is the top sites feature. The top sites feature allows for you to view 6, 12, or 24 thumbnails. The thumbnails are these images here of sites that you've visited. Another feature that we also like is the improved developer tools. You can access that by hitting Alt on the keyboard and going to Develop. Here you'll see a number of options that are very useful for website designers. Some of the options are debugging JavaScript, Web Inspector, and there's also the resources pane, which enables users to sort data based on loading metrics such as latency, response, and duration. And that is Safari.